Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's see how we can address this question. Okay, so we have squared here, then we have 2 here. Now the only problem here is this. So let's take it out. Let's represent it by a variable. So now let's log 1 on 25 to base 65 be, let's say, t. So the definition of logarithm, this one we raised it, that would be 65 raised t equals to 1 on 25. All right, so let's see if 25 raised to a certain number will give us 65. Okay, so 25 times 25, 65. So we have 25 raised to 2 t equals to 25 raised to -1. So we have this equals that 2t equals -1. Therefore, t is minus half. So it means everything here is minus half. Okay, so from here we can say that 2 times minus half was squared equals to cube root of x. So we have to square this one before we double it. So we have 1 on 4 equals to cube root of x. So we have 2 here. That will be half equals to cube root of x. Okay. All right, so from here we can remove the cube by taking cube on both sides. This side will go left with x. We have 1 on 8. So 1 on 8 is the solution to this problem. All right, so that's that. Thanks for watching.